Tody. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Tody is a cleaning schedule app focusing on frequency-based cleaning rather than date-based. Its core feature revolves around visualizing your home as a collection of rooms and tasks, each with a dynamically calculated dirtiness score. This score dictates when a task needs attention, freeing you from rigid schedules. Tody is primarily designed for individuals or small families who struggle with consistently maintaining a clean home and want a more intuitive, less rigid system than traditional cleaning checklists or calendar reminders. Key features include customizable cleaning tasks for each room, adjustable dirtiness profiles based on your lifestyle, and notifications when tasks reach their dirty threshold. It also offers progress tracking and a visual representation of your cleaning efforts, providing a sense of accomplishment. Strengths are Tody's adaptive scheduling. It learns your cleaning habits and adjusts task frequencies accordingly, preventing overcleaning or neglecting certain areas. This is a massive advantage over static schedules. The gamification aspect, through progress tracking and visualization, also encourages consistent use. It's also highly customizable, letting you define specific cleaning tasks and dirtiness profiles tailored to your needs. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to learn and use, even for those unfamiliar with cleaning apps. However, Tody has weaknesses. It requires initial setup and commitment to input your cleaning preferences accurately. If you don't invest time in setting up tasks and dirtiness profiles, the system won't function effectively. The app also lacks advanced features like collaboration tools for larger households where multiple people share cleaning responsibilities. While it supports multiple profiles, it doesn't offer detailed assignment or task delegation features. Another con is its reliance on your self-assessment of dirtiness. If you're not honest about how often you clean or how dirty things get, the algorithms will be inaccurate, defeating the purpose. While the visual progress is motivating, some users might find it overly simplistic and prefer more detailed reporting. Furthermore, it lacks integration with smart home devices or other productivity apps. While Tody excels at what it does, it's a standalone solution, which may be a drawback for some users seeking a more integrated workflow. Ultimately, Tody is a powerful tool for individuals seeking a flexible, frequency-based approach to cleaning. Its strengths lie in its adaptive scheduling, gamification, and ease of use. However, it's not a perfect solution, as it requires initial setup effort, lacks advanced collaboration features, and relies heavily on user input for accurate dirtiness assessment. If you're looking for a system that adapts to your life and encourages consistent cleaning habits, Tody is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared to invest the time up front to customize it to your specific needs.